So I'm up here in New York State where I used to live. This is a lot that I purchased about 6-7 years ago. This thing was completely wooded. Cleared it out back in the day, regraded it, and realized that the lot's a little too low. I'd like it raised up. So we had the town bring in over 40 loads of soil materials, like all the extra fill soil. I'm guessing if you look behind me, 40 to 50 loads. It's a lot. So they filled this in for free for me. But what's not free is I got to rent a dozer to get this all graded out. So now I'm up here in my spare time over the weekend. Got a D3K rented, and I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna practice how to run it. I've never run one before, so we'll see how it'll go. But I'm here now, gonna get this done and go from there. So everything I said before that we were gonna do, we've done. I don't remember what it was, but started last night around yesterday around 3:30, put 4 hours on the machine, and just now did the other 4 almost. The machine hours total used for this project is 7.7 hours, which just barely fits within the 8-hour window for a 1-day rental fee. So perfect. Save 500 bucks. Here's what we did. Just take a look on yonder, and we pushed and graded about, I don't even know how many truckloads, but it was closer to 50, but 40 to 50 trucks of just fill soil, rocks, boulders, a whole bunch of junk. And we raised up this property about a good 4 feet for sure, all the way across. And it looks pretty good. Like, it's ready to build a shop on, which was the original plan here. So hopefully, if not me, somebody else does, and I'm gonna try to sell it and see what happens. So yeah, also this is the first time using a dozer. Literally, the first hour was a little rough, but we figured it out. And one 20-minute YouTube video is all I did, just to kind of generally how to use it, and then boom, jumped in, and 7.7 hours of machine use, and we got it done. So you too, if you're mechanically inclined, you too can do it. It's not really that difficult. It's just a pain in the butt, and literally a pain in the butt, and my butt is pretty rough. It's not the most perfect, smoothest yard, but because it's just a rough grade, it kind of works, and it's pretty close actually. It's pretty good, not bad at all. So You know, anybody can do this. So go out and rent yourself a dozer and tear up your mama's lawn. It's the least you can do. Just subscribe already.
You